Therefore, second question, show that cosec theta minus cot theta, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Now, so LHS left side I am taking cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So actually what is cosec theta? Cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cosec theta 1 by sin theta minus cot theta cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now, so taking LCM sin theta, numerator 1 minus cos theta whole square, simply 1 minus cos theta numerator, denominator sin theta. So square separately 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin theta whole square, that is nothing but sin square theta. Sin theta whole square, sin square theta. So we have from first identity sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta. 1 I am writing 1 square. So 1 minus cos theta whole square by a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus cos theta of 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancel. 1 more 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. So this is the solution. Okay. Next, coming to the third question. Third one is show that under root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equal to sec A plus tan A, sec A plus tan A. So we need to prove this one. So under root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. So LHS I am taking under root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Next, so I want to take rationalize the denominator. So under root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into denominator. If it is minus, we need to multiply with sin plus. 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Okay, implies numerator 1 plus sin A 2 times product whole square by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, 1 square 1 minus sin A whole square sin square A. So this is equal to implies 1 plus sin A whole square, 1 minus sin square A equal to cos square A, 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. So it is cos square A. So implies 1 plus sin A by cos A whole square whole root. Square root getting cancelled, 1 plus sin A by cos A. Splitting this cos A, 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A is equal to sec A. Sin A by cos A equal to tan A. This is equal to RHS. This is the right side. Next, fourth one. So before fourth one, we will do example similar to this one. So the example is example number 15. Example 15. So same this one. Show that under root 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Cosec theta plus cot theta. Okay, now this one. Okay, so similar to this one. LHS under root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So rationalizing the denominator, 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Since it is minus, I want to multiply with plus. 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Similar to this one. Okay, next. Okay, simplification under root of 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos square theta, cos theta, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, 1 square minus cos square theta. Okay, implies under root of 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 square, 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. So this is a square by b square, a by b whole square. So 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square, square root 2 square getting cancelled, 1 plus cos theta by sin theta, 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta, 1 by sin theta cosec theta, cos theta by sin theta cot theta. This is equal to RHS. So this is the required proof. Okay, next. So example 13th example is show that cot theta plus tan theta equal to sec theta cosec theta, cot theta plus tan theta equal to sec theta cosec theta. Okay, so LHS cot theta plus tan theta, cos theta by sin theta. Formula for cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Formula for tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. Taking LCM, sin theta, cos theta. So if we observe the numerator, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, implies cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 by sin theta, cos theta. Now, so writing individually 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta, 1 by sin theta cosec theta, 1 by cos theta sec theta. So sec theta into cosec theta, this is equal to RHS. This we need to prove. Next one, example number 14. So example 14 is show that tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta equal to sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta. So tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta equal to sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta. Okay, now solution. LHS, I am taking tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. So in this I am taking tan square theta common. If we are taking tan square theta, we are getting only one. Here tan theta 4 times. If we are taking tan square theta common, one more tan square theta we will get. Okay, tan square theta formula, sec square theta minus 1 into 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. 1 getting cancelled. Sec square theta minus 1 into sec square theta. So sec square theta into sec square theta, sec power 4 theta minus 1 into sec square theta, sec square theta. This is equal to RHS. So this we need to prove. Okay, next fifth question. Exercise fifth question. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta sin theta. Tan theta sin theta. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta sin theta. So proof or solution. LHS I am taking 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. So taking LCM cos theta, numerator 1, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta by cos theta. This sin square theta I want to split sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta into sin theta. So this is equal to RHS. Okay, this we need to question number 4. Show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1, cot square A minus 1 equal to tan square E. So we need to prove this one. So prove for solution. LHS, left side I am taking 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. So to prove this one, I am taking cot square A equal to 1 by tan square A. 1 minus tan square A. Reciprocal of cot tan, 1 by tan square A minus 1. So 1 minus tan square A by taking LCM tan square A. So 1 minus tan square A into 1 tan square A. So this is the denominator, comes to numerator reciprocal. 1 minus tan square A into tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. This 1 minus tan square A getting cancelled, it will equal to tan square A. This we need to prove. This is equal to RHS. Okay, next question number 6th one. Simplify. Simplify. So sec A of 1 minus sin A of 1 minus sin A of sec A plus tan A. Sec A plus tan A. So we are simplifying this one. So first sec A of 1 minus sin A, sec A plus tan A. So solution. All I want to write in terms of sin and cos. So sec A equal to 1 by cos A. Sec A equal to 1 by cos A. 1 minus sin A. Sec A equal to 1 by cos A. Tan A equal to sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. So 1 by cos A first, 1 minus sin A into denominator cos A, numerator 1 plus sin A. So denominator cos A into cos A, cos square A, 1 minus cos A, 1 minus sin A, numerator remaining 1 plus sin A. Now A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square, 1 square minus sin A whole square, sin square A by cos square A. So 1 square, 1 minus sin square A, cos square A by cos square A getting cancelled, we will get 1. So this is the required simplification. Okay, next question number 8. 8 we will do later 7th. 8. Prove that. Okay, simplify. Simplify. 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, now if we observe 1 minus cos theta, A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square, 1 square minus cos square theta, 1 plus cot square theta formula, cosec square theta minus 1. So 1 minus cos square theta, 1 cancel, cosec square theta. 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta into cosec square theta. So sin square theta into this is 1 by sin square theta. Sin square theta getting cancelled. The answer is 1. Okay, now 7th question we will discuss. 7th one. Prove that sin a plus cosec a, sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a, cos a plus sec a whole square equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Okay, now so I'm taking left side and I want to prove right side. Sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square. So a plus b whole square formula: a square sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a cosec a plus cos square a, again a plus b whole square plus sec square a plus 2 cos a sec a. So now combination sin square a plus cos square a, this is one combination, plus cosec square a, I am taking single, plus sec square a plus 2 into sin a into cosec a equal to reciprocal of sin a, 1 by sin a plus 2 into cos a into sec a is reciprocal of cos a, cos a, cos a, cos a cancel, sin a cancel. Sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Cosec square a identity 1 plus cot square a. Sec square a 1 plus tan square a plus 2 into 1 2, 2 into 1 2. So numbers are 2 plus 2 4 5 6 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So this is equal to RHS. This is the required trigonometry exercise 11.4. First question: evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. First one: 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta of 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Minus cosec theta. Okay, now we simplify this one. First, I want to convert tan, sec, cot, cosec in terms of sin and cos. 1 plus tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta of 1 plus cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. So taking LCM, cos theta denominator, numerator, cos theta into 1 cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta 1 into sin theta cos theta by cos theta 1 into 1 1 of denominator sin theta into 1 sin theta by sin theta 1 into cos theta sin theta by sin theta 1 into 1 1. The denominator is cos theta sin theta. Numerator, I will write cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 equal to sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 of sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So up to this one, sin theta plus cos theta equal to a. 1 is b. A plus b, a minus b. Formula a square minus b square. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square by cos theta sin theta. So a plus b whole square formula: a square plus b square plus 2ab. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 square 1 by sin theta cos theta or cos theta sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. 1 getting cancelled. 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So sin theta cancel, cos theta cancel, we will get 2. So this value, this implication is equal to 2. Next, second question. Second question is sin theta plus cos theta whole square, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square, sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So again a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula sin square theta a square cos square theta b square 2 sin theta cos theta 2ab plus sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta cancel. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. The answer is 2. Now third one, sec square theta minus 1 of cosec square theta minus 1. So sec square theta formula identity 1 plus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 of cosec square theta 1 plus cot square theta, next minus 1 1 getting cancelled, 1 cancel, tan square theta into cot square theta, tan square theta into cot square theta reciprocal of tan 1 by tan square theta. So tan square theta cancel, we will get 1. Okay, next. So we will discuss ninth question. Ninth one is if sec theta plus tan theta equal to p. If sec theta plus tan theta equal to p, then what is the value of? Then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? Sec theta plus tan theta equal to p. We need to find out sec theta minus tan theta. Solution: given information sec theta plus tan theta equal to p, equation number 1. Okay, so the identity in terms of secant tan is secant square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. A square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Sec theta plus tan theta of sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1. Sec theta plus tan theta equal to p. P into sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 from equation 1. Bringing p outside, sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by p. So this is the required solution. Sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by p. Same kind of question, 10th one. If cosec theta plus cot theta equal to p, then prove that equal to k, not p, equal to k. Then prove that cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. If cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, then prove that cosec theta minus cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So first solution or proof. First, cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, equation number 1. Now, so the identity in terms of cosecant cot is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to k. A square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Cosec theta plus cot theta of cosec theta minus cot theta equal to k, equal to 1. This is also one identity. cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So this information is given, cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Okay, now cosec theta plus cot theta equal to what? K of cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1. K bringing outside, cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k, equation number 2. So first adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2. If we add 1 and 2, cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Adding cot theta cancel. 2 times of cosec theta, 2 cosec theta equal to k plus 1 by k. K plus 1 by k. So 2 cosec theta equal to LCM k into k square plus 1 by k. Cosec theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. So cosec theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. This is cosec theta. I want to find cot theta also. Equation 1 minus 2. I am doing equation 1 minus 2. Cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Minus plus minus. Cosec theta cancel. Cot theta plus cot theta, 2 cot theta equal to k minus 1 by k. 2 cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by k. So cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2 bringing outside 2k. So cosec theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. Cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. So this cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. Cos theta into denominator sin theta comes to the numerator, we will get cosec theta. So 1 by sin theta equal to cosec theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. Cos theta into cosec theta value k square plus 1 by 2k equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. So this 2k cancel both sides. Cos theta equal to k square minus 1 bringing outside by k square plus 1. So we need to prove cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is the required result.